Ever thought about fidelity only in terms of relationships? What if we told you that it extends to finances too? Yes, you heard it right. We're diving into the concept of financial infidelity today. It's a term that may sound foreign to many, but it's an issue that's more common than you might think. So, what exactly is financial infidelity? Simply put, it's the act of being dishonest about financial matters with your partner. This could take many forms and is not limited to big-ticket items or massive debt. It could be as seemingly trivial as hiding a small purchase you made on a whim, or as significant as lying about your income or debt. Let's delve a little deeper. One form of financial infidelity is hiding purchases. Ever hidden a shopping bag, or maybe removed a purchase from your shared account statement? That's financial infidelity. Another form is lying about your income. Perhaps you've been telling your partner that you earn less than you actually do, or maybe more. Either way, it's a form of dishonesty that falls under this category. Then there's the issue of secret accounts. Think about those credit cards your partner doesn't know about, or that secret stash of cash you've been squirreling away. If it's a financial secret, it's financial infidelity. You may question, why does this matter? Well, financial infidelity can have serious ramifications on relationships. Money matters are a significant part of any partnership, and dishonesty in this area can lead to feelings of mistrust and betrayal, just like any other form of infidelity. It can create a rift between partners, causing tension and disagreements. And remember, it's not just about the money itself, it's about the breach of trust, the dishonesty, the secrecy. These factors can significantly impact a relationship, causing emotional distress and potentially leading to relationship breakdowns. Financial infidelity, just like emotional or physical infidelity, can lead to mistrust and relationship breakdowns. So, let's continue this journey to understand it better, heal from it, and most importantly, prevent it. And scene script. Think financial infidelity is a rarity, you might want to reconsider. The reality is, financial infidelity is a far more common phenomenon than most of us would like to admit. According to a study by the National Endowment for Financial Education, roughly 2 out of every 5 adults have admitted to committing financial infidelity in their relationship. That's right, nearly 40% of adults have hidden purchases, lied about costs, or concealed debt from their partner. But why is this? Why do so many people commit financial infidelity? The reasons vary, but they often boil down to a few common factors: fear, shame, and control. Fear is a powerful motivator. Many individuals fear the potential fallout from revealing their financial mistakes or missteps. They worry about their partner's reaction, about potential arguments, or even the possibility of a breakup. Fear can cause people to hide their financial realities, leading to a cycle of secrecy and deception. Shame, too, plays a significant role. In a society that often equates financial success with personal worth, admitting to financial struggles can feel like admitting personal failure. This feeling of shame can drive individuals to hide their financial realities, further fueling the cycle of financial infidelity. Finally, control is another common factor. Some individuals use financial secrets as a means of maintaining control in a relationship. By hiding financial information, they can control their partner's knowledge and influence over financial decisions. These factors often interplay, creating a complex web of motives that drive individuals towards financial infidelity. It's a silent relationship killer, often going unnoticed until it's too late. Despite the prevalence of financial infidelity, many still underestimate its impact, dismissing it as a minor issue. But it's not. It's a serious breach of trust that can have severe consequences for a relationship. Financial infidelity is not a rarity. It's a widespread issue that affects millions of relationships across the globe. Understanding its prevalence and the reasons behind it is the first step towards preventing it and healing from its consequences. Financial infidelity is a silent relationship killer, often going unnoticed until it's too late. How do you know if your partner is committing financial infidelity? This question may seem daunting, but there are telltale signs that can indicate if financial betrayal is happening right under your nose. First and foremost, a sudden change in spending habits can be a red flag. For instance, if your partner, who has always been a frugal shopper, suddenly starts splurging on luxury items, it's worth paying attention. Conversely, if they have always enjoyed occasional indulgences but suddenly become excessively tight-fisted, it could be a sign they're diverting funds elsewhere. Secrecy around finances is another key indicator of financial infidelity. If your partner is unusually defensive or evasive when asked about money matters, it could be a sign they're hiding something. A partner who refuses to discuss finances, gets defensive when asked about money, or insists on keeping their accounts separate without a reasonable explanation, might be committing financial infidelity. Another red flag is unexplained expenses. If withdrawals or charges start appearing on your bank statements that cannot be explained, it could be a sign of financial deception. This could include anything from mysterious ATM withdrawals to large unexplained purchases. An additional sign to watch out for is a sudden increase in mail from banks or credit card companies. This could indicate new accounts that you aren't aware of. Similarly, if your partner is suddenly taking all the mail or insists on dealing with bills and statements alone, it could be a sign they're trying to hide something. Last but not the least, if your partner seems excessively worried or stressed about money, yet there's no apparent reason for the concern, it could be a sign of hidden financial issues. Remember, these signs are not definitive proof of financial infidelity, but they are signals that something may be amiss. Open communication is the key to addressing these issues. You both need to feel safe discussing money, and honesty is paramount. Spotting the signs early can prevent a financial and emotional catastrophe. Don't let financial infidelity ruin your relationship. It's always better to address the elephant in the room than to let it trample all over your trust and love. So, you've discovered financial infidelity. What's next? If you've been on the receiving end of financial infidelity, the feelings of betrayal and confusion can be overwhelming. But remember, it's not the end of the world or your relationship. It's a hurdle, yes, but one that can be overcome with the right steps. First things first, acknowledge the issue. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial. It's impossible to solve a problem if you don't admit there is one. So both parties need to accept that financial infidelity has occurred and commit to addressing it. This is not about blame. It's about finding solutions. Next, try to understand the reason behind the infidelity. It's easy to jump to conclusions and make assumptions, but these usually lead to more harm than good. The person who committed the financial infidelity might have done so out of fear, stress, or a lack of financial understanding. Or perhaps there are deeper issues at play. Dig deep. Understand the why before moving to the how. Once you've uncovered the root cause, it's time to seek professional help if needed. There's a wide range of professionals who can provide guidance in these situations. Financial advisors can help you get your finances back on track. Therapists can help navigate the emotional aftermath. And don't forget, there's no shame in seeking help. It's a sign of strength, not weakness. Remember, healing is not a linear process. There will be ups and downs, moments of progress and setbacks, but that's okay. Healing is not about perfection, it's about progress. Finally, communication is key. Open, honest, and ongoing communication is the cornerstone of healing from financial infidelity. It's about creating a safe space where both parties can express their feelings, fears, and hopes without judgment. So, take a deep breath. It's going to be okay. You can and will get through this. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Healing from financial infidelity is a process. It requires time, patience, and a whole lot of communication. Trust, once broken, is hard to rebuild, but it's not impossible. This statement rings true when dealing with financial infidelity. The path to rebuilding trust may be steep, but with commitment and patience, it's certainly achievable. The first step is open communication. It's essential to have honest discussions about what happened, why it happened, and how it affected both parties. It may be uncomfortable, but it's necessary to clear the air. Remember, it's not just about pointing fingers or laying blame. It's about understanding, empathizing, and finding a way forward. Next, it's time to set financial goals together. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or planning for retirement, having shared financial goals can help strengthen your bond. It allows both parties to work towards something together, fostering unity and teamwork. But remember, setting goals is just the first step. It's equally important to regularly review these goals and adjust them as necessary. Another crucial aspect of rebuilding trust is maintaining financial transparency. This means openly sharing information about income, expenses, debts, and savings. It might be as simple as having joint bank accounts or as complex as holding weekly budget meetings. The key is to create an environment where financial secrets have no place to hide. Finally, consider seeking professional help. Financial advisors or therapists can provide valuable insights and guide you through the process of rebuilding trust. They can help you navigate difficult conversations and provide practical strategies to manage your finances better. Remember, rebuilding trust is not an overnight process. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. There may be setbacks along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Keep the lines of communication open, stay committed to your shared financial goals, and maintain transparency in all financial matters. Rebuilding trust after financial infidelity is a journey, not a destination. It's about making a commitment to change, to honesty, and to each other. With time and effort, you can turn financial infidelity into an opportunity to strengthen your relationship and build a secure financial future together. Prevention, they say, is better than cure. And when it comes to financial infidelity, this old adage rings particularly true. Let's talk about some ways to prevent financial infidelity from ever creeping into your relationship. First and foremost, it's all about communication. Regular financial talks are crucial. These don't have to be heavy, formal discussions, but rather open, honest conversations about your money matters. Perhaps you can set aside a specific time each month to discuss your finances. This could include talking about your spending habits, your savings goals, your debts, and your financial aspirations. Just as important as these regular financial talks is setting financial boundaries. Every relationship is unique, and what might work for one couple may not work for another. Some couples might prefer to keep their finances entirely separate, while others might choose to merge their finances completely. It's important to find a balance that works for you and your partner, and to respect each other's financial boundaries once they are set. Now, these boundaries aren't meant to be restrictive or limiting, but rather serve as a framework within which you can both operate comfortably. They are meant to foster trust and transparency in your financial dealings. Remember, honesty is the best policy, especially when it comes to money matters. Be honest about your financial situation, your debts, your spending habits, and your financial goals. If you've made financial mistakes in the past, own up to them and learn from them. If you're struggling with money, don't hide it from your partner. Seek their support and work together to find a solution. Lastly, don't let money become a source of contention in your relationship. Money, after all, is just a tool. It's not worth jeopardizing your relationship over. If you find that money is causing friction in your relationship, consider seeking the help of a financial advisor or a relationship counselor. In conclusion, preventing financial infidelity is all about communication, setting financial boundaries, and being honest about your money matters. Preventing financial infidelity starts with an honest conversation about money. So let's wrap this up. What did we learn about financial infidelity? Financial infidelity, as we've come to understand, is a complex issue that goes beyond simply hiding a shopping spree or a pricey lunch. It's a form of betrayal that involves the secretive act of spending, borrowing, or hiding money without a partner's knowledge. This deception can create a deep chasm of mistrust in a relationship, causing emotional distress and often leading to relationship breakdowns. We've also discovered that financial infidelity is not as uncommon as we'd like to believe. It's a widespread issue that affects a significant number of relationships. From secret credit cards to undisclosed debts, the manifestations of financial infidelity are varied and far-reaching. Throughout our discussion, we've highlighted some telltale signs of financial infidelity. These include sudden changes in spending habits, a spike in secretive behavior related to finances, and unexplained expenses or debts. Knowing these signs can help us remain vigilant and promptly address any issues that may arise. But it's not all doom and gloom. Healing from financial infidelity is possible. It requires a commitment to honesty, transparency, and a willingness to understand and forgive. It might be a difficult journey, but with patience and dedication, couples can navigate their way through the turmoil and emerge stronger on the other side. In line with healing, we've also explored the steps to rebuilding trust after financial infidelity. This process involves open communication about financial mistakes, setting clear financial goals, and creating a shared budget. It's a process that demands mutual respect and a shared commitment to a financially honest future. Moreover, we've looked at ways to prevent financial infidelity from happening in the first place. This involves fostering an environment where open and honest discussions about money are the norm, not the exception. It's about setting financial boundaries, having shared financial goals, and regularly checking in with each other about money matters. In conclusion, financial infidelity is a serious issue, but it's not insurmountable. With the right tools and mindset, couples can overcome financial infidelity and build a stronger, more honest relationship. Remember, financial infidelity is a breach of trust, but with open communication, understanding, and honesty, it's something that can be overcome.